Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In this video I will show how you can update Apple Music. So on an iPhone or just iOS device in general, if you would like to update your Apple Music app, launch the App Store, then over here find the Apple Music app page. Here it is, and if it will have any available updates, it will have the update button right over here. Tap on it and your Apple Music app will be updated. On an Android device or phone, the procedure is somewhat the same. Just launch the Google Play Store instead of App Store. On an iPhone, once again find the Apple Music app. And if the update is due, if there are any new updates to be installed, you will also have the update button instead of open button here. So tap on it and your Apple Music will begin updating itself. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.